This is a review of the Schwalbe Lugano tire. It's puncture resistant. It's about $32 retail. Anyway, I got less than 50 miles on it. And at 90 pounds, maybe 95 pounds, sidewall just completely blew out. Put the tire on last weekend. It's now Wednesday. Hardly less than 50 miles and just blowing out. Lucky I was going slow. Earlier today I was going on a downhill, probably 40 miles an hour. If it would have blown out going 40 miles an hour, it would have been bad news. Let me go see if I can find another marking. There's another puncture protection note here. There's not. Anyway, I give this tire 5 thumbs down for quality and reliability. That's that sealant, the slime that I put in the tubes to prevent punctures, which works, by the way, pretty good. I put 2 to 3 times the recommended amount in the tubes, and I usually get like about 6 to 9 months usage on the slime sealant before I replace the tubes, because the sealant does go bad after a while. I usually, after about 6 months usually.